Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. What you see right now on the screen here is, I think, one of the most picture perfect descending triangle. Look how perfect this pattern looks like, which actually proves once again all the time that whatever happens in crypto is not random. It's actually a story that you need to figure out what the story is. So the story was that ever since 17th of December, or let's even say 8th of December. It's crazy how this plan happened back in 8th of December, and they knew they were going to print some few candles like this. They knew they were going to pump it up. They knew they were going to take it down and then pump it from here. They knew they were going to take it down again and pump it from here and then take it down again and then pump it from there until eventually you don't reach 12th of February. So we're very, very close. Okay, not three, but maybe 5 more days, and we're going to see what happens. I think Valentine's Day is the day when we might see the move, and it does make a lot of sense. And do you know what is the theme of Valentine's Day? It's red. Okay, it's red. Could be even red in crypto as well. Now there's one more thing I saw earlier today with BONK, and that is this is not for the first time BONK did this and went to the downside. There was a time when BONK did the absolute same behavior and then went to the downside, which was back in January last year. So if we talk about January as well, we had a very similar descending triangle as well, which was something like this. Okay, so you had this triangle from there to there, and it also was from there all the way to here. Right, so I want to show you that this is not something new. And what happened here is, again, you made the pattern, went down, you pumped up, you went down, you pumped up, got rejected, and then from there it was a drop, and then you went to the downside. And that's why I'm really warning you that just because, consider yourself like this is the modern day pattern. You consider yourself sitting here up at 84, and then I tell you that it's gonna pop down to 39. You're gonna say, come on, Atom Coins, 82, 84. I don't think it's ever going to go down to 39. That's too much of a loss I'm going to be in. You're talking about, 53%. BONK is very bullish. People are buying. It's going to go to the upside. But then again, it's just a damn pattern which actually shows a technical target to the downside. So that similar pattern that you have is not any different than what you have right now. So this and this are pretty much the same, especially you can see you had a massive first bull run to the upside, and then you made that descending triangle, and you had another massive bull run to the upside, and then you made another triangle. So these look to me like a very, very similar situation. And who knows, we could be looking at pumps and dumps in the middle and go down, and maybe go down, then pump back up, then go down like this, make it down here, and then finally have another bull run, maybe in July 2024, maybe in 2025 you may see the next bull run if it's meant to happen anyways. And that's all for this BONK update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.